To know the password of your current Wi-Fi network on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick setting panel. And then tap setting icon. Tap connection. Next, tap Wi-Fi. Under current network section, tap the settings icon next to the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected with. Tap the eye icon on the password field. And then enter your current screen lock or biometric to see the password of the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected with. As note, there are some situations you might need to know the current Wi-Fi network password. As the example, when you need to connect a new device to that Wi-Fi network, when you want to share the password to others so that they can connect to that Wi-Fi network and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.